Hey everybody, how's it going? One quick note before I hop on the plane for Denver for Cydia. I noticed a lot of talk last week about the physical media, the disc, the 4K Blu-ray, and the player market. A company called Ravon. I'm not exactly sure how that is pronounced, but they made it official last week that they are shutting down all operations, and that left a lot of people pretty concerned because they also have not, there are fewer disc manufacturers in the marketplace today. Oppo stopped creating their players a while back. Panasonic is still doing it, Sony and LG, but there are fewer updates, fewer models available, especially when you're looking for something in that higher performance, higher end space. And I know a lot of folks are just going to plug in an HDMI cable and be done with it, but there are also a lot of folks who use these players for high res audio playback, and some of these higher end players like the Oppo, the 205 was one, but the Magnetar players, the Ravon players, the Panasonic UB9000, those are players that have advanced analog output sections for people who are using these for SACDs or that type of high-res lossless audio playback. And they do offer a very large step up in quality over when you're talking about a real critical listening 2-channel system. So people were relatively concerned last week that Ravon had officially made the announcement that they were closing up shop. And, there was radio silence from sister company Magnetar. But this morning, September 2nd, Magnetar has an announcement. They are releasing 2 new models, the UDP 900 Mark II and the UDP 800 Mark II. These are engineering upgrades. They have significant upgrades and engineering refinements developed in direct response to key customer and dealer feedback. So I'm just reading directly from the press release this morning. They're purposely built to support virtually every physical and digital format under one roof: 4K UHD, Blu-ray, SACD, stored networked media with reference level video processing and elite audio performance. It looks like here they have redesigned USB 3.0 ports. They have isolated, the USB ports have isolated power supplies and dedicated hub chips to improve compatibility and stability with the drives and devices that you're plugging in there. These are high quality players. The 900 Mark II, redesigned audio processing system featuring dual ESS 9038 Pro DACs, paired with TMDS retiming on the dedicated HDMI audio port to virtually eliminate jitter and preserve every sonic detail. Going to skip forward to the UDP 800, redefines Magnetar's most accessible model with upgrades tailored to deliver elevated performance for cinephiles and enthusiasts. Newly designed 2.0 audio offering incorporating 7 OPA 1602 op amps for low noise, high precision audio, precision HDMI jitter correction, and enhanced EMI shielding, cleaner, more accurate sound. Let's take a look at what these players are going to look like if I can find the right panel here. Here we go. So these are, you see the same kind of checkered face panel on these, but they're brushed aluminum. It is the Mark II. And it looks like we're going to get a little bit of a blow up here and see the inside of the players. These are definitely 2 of the premium players on the market today, and obviously they're going to begin shipping Q4 2025. The 900 Mark II is priced at $3299.99, and the 800 Mark II is $1799.99, and they will be showing them at Cydia which I plan to get over there and get a look at them. So here again, here's some quick images of the two players. Obviously, the 800 is the I guess not obviously, the 800 is the shorter case there, and the 900 adds the taller form factor, more circuitry going on in there due to the analog output stages. So this is, again, the 800. Here's the 900. I don't have any images of the rear yet, so we can't, I guess, quite see anything in terms of the connectivity. I'm going to guess it's going to look very similar to the previous models, the Mark 1 at this point now. But I'm also going to imagine that I leave in the morning tomorrow, and I have an appointment already with Magnetar to chat with them about these new players. So again, follow Magnetar on LinkedIn and on social media, and I will get you as much more info and some video of hopefully on the backside of these players as well, and I'll talk to Magnetar, and we'll let you know what I think about these players. I'm not a big physical media guy, but I did actually just buy a new UHD player because I wanted it to be able to be compatible with my. I wanted to be able to do IP control. So that's another big question I'll have for the folks at Magnetar is will this be able to be operated and controlled with IP control for the unfolded circle remotes and home assistant integration, et cetera, et cetera. That was the main. I mean, I probably have 30 discs here, and I just bought a new player because of that feature. So it'll be interesting to find out if that's an option on these. And yeah, we will talk to you real soon with an update on the Magnetar players, plus check-ins from the show floor at Cydia Expo 2025 in Denver. All right, everybody, make sure you please like and subscribe so you know when these updates are coming. I'll talk to you again real soon. Thanks, everybody.